back to PE with Mr. Ellison, where every day I upload a new video for my pre-K and kindergarten students at Brentwood. Today we're going to be doing animal walk, so we're going to learn how to walk like a bunch of different animals. So all you need to do is find an open space, either inside your house or outside. Ready to get started? Alright teammates, here we go. The first animal or insect walk we're going to do is called the inchworm. This one's really tough, but let's get started. All you need to do is keep your legs straight, and then you're going to reach down, walk your hands out, and then keep your legs straight and tiptoe up to your hands. And then you repeat the process. Okay teammates, number 2 on our list right here is the snake slither. And all you have to do for this one is bring your hands together like this, and you have to follow wherever your hands go and slither like a snake. Ready? Okay, the next one on our list is the bear walk. So we're gonna have to walk on all 4s here. So that means using both our hands and our feet. So our legs stay straight. We bring our hands to the ground like a big bear, and we throw. Okay teammates, great job so far. We're moving right along. The next one is probably the most popular animal movement there is, the frog jump. Okay? All you have to do is squat down, so that means bend your knees as much as they'll go. Put your hands on the ground right in front of your legs, and we're gonna ribbit like a frog, okay? I'm gonna go from one end to the other, but if you don't have a lot of space, you can just jump up and down like this. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, moving on. Next movement we're going to do is the crab walk. This one's kind of tricky to get into. So what you need to do at first is sit down on your bottom, put your hands behind you, bring your feet close to your body, and then bring your hips up. And you're going to walk backwards like this. Make sure you look over one shoulder so you know where you're going. Next up, we have the flamingo. Okay, so the flamingo is pretty easy. If you have space, you can move up and down. If not, we're just gonna stand on one leg. Okay, if you want to stay here, that's all right. If you want to jump up and down, you may do so. Or like I said, if you have space and you want to go down and back or around your house, go ahead. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, next up we have the donkey. Now, make sure you have plenty of space for this one because we're going to be kicking our legs back like a donkey. So, what you need to do is bring your hands to the ground and then kick your legs back like a donkey. If you have space, you can move around and try it. If not, you can stay right where you are and do 10 donkey kicks. Ready? Alright, next up is the kangaroo. The kangaroo is an upright animal, which means they're just like us. They walk on their feet, but they have little hands. So, what I want you to do is keep your feet about shoulder width apart, okay? So that means my shoulders are here. If I go straight down, my feet are right underneath. And if you don't have a lot of space, you could jump up and down just like this. If you have some space, you can move around, all right? I'm gonna move around. Are you ready? All right, teammates, next up is the duck walk. This one's kind of tough, but you have to try your best, all right? What I need you to do is squat down here so you bend your knees all the way, all right? And then we are going to put one foot in front of the other and walk like a duck. You have to try your best to stay low, okay? Just like this. Next up is the eagle. So what I want you to do is bring your arms straight out like this, and we're going to soar around like an eagle. If you have space, move around. If not, you could stand in one place and soar in place. Ready? Let's go. Okay, teammates, next up, we have the bunny hop. So the bunny hop and the frog jump are pretty close together, but with the frog jump, we put our hands on the ground. The bunny hop, we leave our hands by our side, or if you want, you can put them up by your head and pretend they're bunny ears. I'm gonna just leave mine by my side. So, if you do not have space, you could just do them right here. Stand and jump up. If you have space, let's move around, okay? Great job so far. Next up, we have the horse gallop. I've seen a lot of you do this in PE already. So, all you need to do is face to the side, put one foot in front of the other, and then you're going to drag your other foot to that foot, and then step. Next up, we have my sister's favorite animal, the penguin. So, a penguin waddles side to side. So what I need you to do is keep your legs straight, keep your arms down low, just like this, and waddle side to side, okay? As you take a step, you take baby steps and go side to side. Next up, we have the gorilla, which is my favorite animal. So what I need you to do first is make 2 fists. Bring those fists straight to the ground like this. Bend your knees, and you're going to either stay in one place, walking on your fists, or you may move around. Ready? Our last animal pose of the day is going to be the turtle. So the turtle is not the fastest animal in the world, but here's how we get into it. I want you to come down to your hands and your knees, just like this, okay? And then come down to your forearms. And you're gonna move little by little, like a turtle. One at a time, slowly but surely. You will get there eventually. Great job with all the animal walks today, teammates. Now let's slow things down. We're gonna do our cool down, okay? I want you to take your right arm, pull it across your body, grab your elbow. Let's hold and stretch, okay? Make sure we're breathing this entire time. Hold and stretch. Great job. Switch it up. Left hand goes across. Grab your left elbow. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's do 10 tilts to calm down. Ready? 1, 2, lean side to side. 3, 4, 5. We're breathing here. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Good job. Let's do 10 easy twists, okay? Look over one shoulder. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's have our feet together. Keep your legs straight. And let's reach down for our toes, okay? Nice and easy here. Count to 10 with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's go feet apart. Go down to your left side. Try to touch your toe if you can. 10 count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Let's reach down to the middle, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job today, teammates. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Make sure you check back tomorrow. We're posting new workout videos every day. See you next time.